Hi, my name is Lori Schneider with Vig's Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of ExpertVillage, today we're going to show you how to make roasted root vegetables. So now we're going to chop our Italian parsley so we can add it to our roasted vegetables. And here I've got a bunch of Italian parsley, and I'm not going to need the whole thing, so I'm going to take out a few leaves here. And I'm just going to want the stems, so I'm just going to want the leaves, so I'm going to pull off the stems and just the extra leaves over here. The stems can be kind of tough, so if you have any big stems like this in your bunch of parsley, go ahead and just pull those off. The top of the stems are okay though, so don't feel like you have to pull off every leaf off every stem. So that looks pretty good there. And all I'm going to do is take my Italian parsley and just kind of make a big pile so I can chop it all at once, like so. Take my knife and I'm just going to run through the Italian parsley. Got a little bit of the stem there. All right, looks like I've gotten most of the big pieces. So here we're using Italian parsley. Italian parsley is a flat leaf parsley, so it's got a little bit of a different look. It actually looks a lot like cilantro, so make sure you smell it before you buy it if it's sitting next to the cilantro at your grocery store. If you don't have Italian parsley at your grocery store, you can also use curly leaf parsley. And it's got a very similar flavor, but it's got the curly leaves that you typically see garnished on plates. But today we're going to use Italian parsley.